start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I have got Colorfuljuly's December box. I have also got their Christmas box. I will get that done as soon as possible, but today we're going to start with the December box, and it sounds like there might be a glitter that's leaked in here. So let's just get it open and see what we got, see what we're dealing with. Are we ready? Are we steady? Right, so we've got the Colorfuljuly card with all their social media on. If you want to have a nosy, go and check them out. So like I always do, I'll give you a quick sneak peek and then I'll move it off to the side. Oh, we've got fluffy stuff. What's this? Right, let's get it moved off and get stuck in. I'm going to start with this fluffy thing, whatever it is. Oh my gosh, it's Mitts. Aha! All the little things are happening items. The Jolly House. What? All the little things are happening items. The Jolly House. Oh, these are Mitts. Let's get them open. Are you having a giggle? You know I am walking the dog later and I'm going to be saying this to everyone. Hey, hi, hey. Oh dear gosh. Oh, these are so nice. Look inside. Wow. Have you ever seen anything like it in your life? Look at these. They're like boxing gloves. Do do do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh my golly gosh. Look at these. Oh, they're really cute. I think I would have preferred them without the buttons. Well, I could take them off. Oh, wow. Look at them. Oh, that's well cute. I like them. Wow. Right, okay. So we got fluffy gloves. We've got glitters. Oh, sugar. Gosh, all the stickers have come off and they're full of fluff. Let me just get these stickers off. Right, so we've got 5 glitters. Right, so this one is holographic flakies. They're very nice. Teeny tiny little flakies. And maybe glitter. Okay. So they look similar, but they're different shades. That's a darker silver. They're all flakies, all 5 of them. They're just, these ones are bigger. They do look very similar. This one's not holographic, it's just metallic. Lighter, darker. This one's got a bit of white clearing with it, and this one's bigger flakes. So we've got 5 different kinds of silver flakies. Right, we've got stickers. So we've got these ones. These are 5D. I've just had a nightmare with these 5D stickers. I like these little stars, look. They've got little embossed stuff on them. Then we've got these. These are nice and simple. If you just want to put them just down a nail like that. Nice simple manicure, quick manicure. Oh, these would be good for New Year, look. Got the wine glasses, the baubles. I like these. Nice and thin and flat as, oh, it's that way. Oh, even better. These are nice. I really like them. Oh, we've got them in what, a different colour. Oh, 2024, brilliant. Oh, look at this wine glass. It's got a little Christmas hat. And we've got the clock. I like these. I really like these. Oh, perfect. Then we got these. So these are like all shell pieces and pearls. And look like they've got gold flakies in them. Wow, look at the colours coming out of this one. Oh, you can't see. Some really pretty colours coming out of that. Yeah, I'm not going to open them because the bag's full of it, but it's all flakies. And look at some of these colours. Shell pieces. Some beautiful, beautiful colours coming out of these. This has got like all purple flakies. I do like this kind of stuff encapsulated. Right, so we got them. We've got one of these. This is for, it's an one of them, it's like an eyeshadow applicator, but it's a silicone one for rubbing chrome powders and stuff in. That's what that is. Does that mean we've got a chrome or something somewhere? Oh, brilliant. Caviar beads. You can never have too many caviar beads. Ooh, and looks like we've got the 0.6 tiny ones that I like. Maybe 0.8, and these are probably 2mm. I love these tiny ones. I can never have enough caviar beads, so they are very welcome. Oh, we have got chrome. Oh, look at that pink. Oh, wow. Yes, so this is just one of these, but a silicone one. I like the look of this. Bright, bright, purpley pink. Lovely. And we've got rhinestones. Oh, and they are glass. All different colours. All colours in here. I don't think I've got this either. It's like a peachy colour. I like them. Normally these compartments with all different colour rhinestones, they're normally plastic. But these are not. These are glass. Brilliant. I'm really happy with them. Right, then we have got platinum liner gel. Is this going to be reflect? Oh, wow. Guys, look at this. Very, very sparkly. Beautiful for Christmas. I really like that. Very pretty. Right, what else have we got here? So we've got 4 of these. Not sure what these are. Let's have a look. Are they gel polishes? Oh, wow. I like these bottles. Look at these. They're pretty. I've never seen bottles like this before. Right, so number 034. I'm going to have to swatch all these, aren't I? Right, oh wow, so this looks like a jelly red. Jelly red. Right guys, I'm going to get some swatch sticks out because I've found another one. And I've got 4 of these as well. So I'm going to get some swatch sticks out quickly. And we'll give all these a swatch. Right, so I think this is the one I opened first. Look at these bottles, I love these. So I'm just going to swatch them as I go today. So yeah, this looks like a deep dark jelly red. This is going to be nice. Oh wow, look at this. This is a good one. I like that. That's very nice. Yeah, it's crystal clear. Look at this. Ooh, I love that. I don't even think I'll give that a second coat. Right, let's see what this one is. 104. Oh, so this is like a pastel bluey green. Pastel green. Look at the bottle. Look at the brushes as well. It's got them really soft rounded brushes. All brands are swapping to these brushes at the minute. These are nice gels. I have used this brand before actually in Mowbray. The first polygels I ever got and loved was from this brand. Right, so that's like a pale, bit like a syrup gel, that one. Very nice. I'm happy so far with these colours. These gels are beautiful. The bottles, the brushes. Oh, look at this one. Different colour. These are cool. So this one's number 689. Oh, I don't know what this is. Doesn't tell. Oh, Russian matte top coat. Right, it's a matte. So we will try that in a minute. So, right, so these ones in different boxes might be something else. Oh no, this is a gel. It's in a pink bottle. I always say this, don't I, with the Colourful July mystery boxes. They really are mystery boxes. You don't have a clue what you're getting. Right, I think this is a bit of a syrup gel as well. These are nice. I'm really impressed. These are nice. I like that colour. That's the kind of nude you all know I use a lot. Look how that's applied. These are very nice, Colourful July. Right, what's this one? I think this is just a colour as well. 044. Ooh, this looks fancy. Right, I'm going to swatch this on the inside. Oh shit, I dropped some. I'm going to swatch this on the inside. So this is like a red jelly with red metallic glitter. Look at this. Let me just spread that out a bit. I didn't do a very good job of that, did I? So you could build this up because it's in a clear gel. You could put thick layers and it will cure. I'll give that a second coat. Super sparkly. Beautiful. You could put that over a red gel polish and get a really full cover. Super sparkly, I like it. So, shall we try this matte top coat? I'm just going to matte top coat this green. I'm really in desperate need of a decent matte top coat as well. So I hope it's good. If it's anything like the gels, it's going to be nice. Right, so that is them all swatched. This matte top coat is fantastic. It's a really good one. Probably not the best colour to showcase it on, but it is a matte. It's not got that horrible sheen to it. It's just a proper matte. Yeah, I should have showed you that on more of a full colour rather than a syrup gel. But anyway, it's a good matte top coat, take my word for it. So that's all 4 colours that I just got. That red jelly is beautiful. I like this nude. This is nice. I've gave that a second coat. That's going to be beautiful for Christmas. I love this nude. That minty green, that'd be nice for Christmas designs as well. I like it. Right, I'm just going to quickly give maybe this one just a swipe of this liner gel just to show it you. This is beautiful. This would be stunning to do candy cane nails with. That's a beautiful gel. Beautiful. Oh, was I miles out of shot? Guys, I'm so sorry if I was miles out of shot then. Very pretty. Yeah, that'd be brilliant for doing candy cane nails with, wouldn't it? I really like that. What number is that? Number 11. As I always say, guys, if you're not keen on all the contents in these boxes, but there is something you like, a lot of these are available to purchase on their own. So definitely check out the website if there's something that catches your eye. And more than likely, you can buy them on their own. These are big 12ml bottles as well. I love these. These are fantastic. Beautiful. So, shall we see what we got in the potted gels quickly? So, we've got 4 of these. So, let's see what they are. I think these are just their regular paint gels. Yeah, they call them solid canned rubber. So we've got 45, 68, 57 and 23. Right guys, I'm just going to stick some music on and fly through these. These are so easy to... Oh, this is a nice colour. Look at this. Right, I'm just going to stick some music on and fly through these. I like to swatch these on these sticks because all my Colorfuljuly pots are on these sticks and I like to keep them the same. So this is my Colorfuljuly brush that needs cleaning. So these are just like potted paints. They're not solid gels. They're just gel paints. But they are really nice. I've got quite a collection of these now. And they are nice. Look at that. They apply beautifully. They won't flood your cuticles. Because it's quite a thick paint. I'm going to have to sort this brush out. That is a beautiful colour. Beautiful. I love that. Right guys, so that is them swatched as well. Some nice colours. That red is a red. Look at these together. I don't know why, but I love them colours together. This is going to be beautiful for Christmas. They'd be nice together, but I love them two colours together. I don't know why. I just love bright, bold colours. Even those three. I just love really bright, bold, in-your-face colours. So that's all the colours in total that came in this box. I love this matte top coat. I love these mulberry gels. I'm really happy with every single one of these this month. Even this green, believe it or not. I like it. Oh my gosh, I love this blue. That liner gel is stunning. Really good selection of gels this month from Colorfuljuly. I am well impressed. I'd like to see more of these in the boxes. And these are always good quality. I know you can buy all these separately on the website, and they are really nice gels. So shall we have a quick recap on everything that came in the box? Guys, you will not believe what just happened. I threw this box down on the floor when I said I'm going to get some swatch sticks out. I cleared my desk. I threw this box on the floor. My mum, she's got a teeny tiny little dog, little Shih Tzu, has just picked this up with his little front teeth and ran off with it. Thought it was a teddy. I had to say, "Hi, where are you going?" That just had me in stitches. That was so cute. Because these mitts are bigger than her. Just a teeny little front teeth like this, and she's dangling them, running away with them. That was well funny. So yeah, quick recap. So we got the mitts. Oh, I didn't swatch the chromes, guys, but you can see them. I'll do them in another video maybe. Very nice colours. I love these compacts. They always seem to apply better than the actual powders. We got Caviar Beads. We got all the glass rhinestones. Well impressed with them. We got all these different silver. I say different. There's not much difference, but they are different. Silver flakies. I love these little mini pots. Teeny tiny cute ones. Oh, and we got all these flakies slash shell pieces slash pearls. They're nice. And oh yeah, the New Year stickers. I love these. I don't have any New Year stickers, so they are perfect. Right, and then we got the gels. Love them. And the potted paints. Love them. Liner gel. Love that. I'm really happy with this month's box. It's a good one. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Don't forget, anything you see is probably available to purchase on its own individually on the website. I've got a 15% discount code. It'll all be in my description box with any links. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.